And happening today, UC San Diego Medical Center, registered nurses rallying outside of hospitals in La Jolla and Hillcrest.
Yeah, that is as nurses across the state hold informational pickets demanding better workplace safety measures, staffing, and retirement benefits. 10 News reporter Mimi Alcala joining us live from La Jolla, where they're calling this a statewide day of action. Hello, Mimi.
Hello, Virginia, Jason. Yes, they are. And these are some registered nurses from UC Medical Centers from across California. We're talking from Sacramento to here in San Diego. And they're picketing today, showing that they all stand united with their bargaining demands, because, of course, this comes during contract talks. Now, nurses here say multi-million-dollar buildings like that are being built while major cuts to their departments are being made.
Hey, hey, ho, ho. Nursing cuts have got to go.
We're hoping that UC would listen to the nurses.
Fighting for patients.
That's the most important message here.
Patient safety is our goal.
Because we are basically the integral part of healthcare. We are the heart and soul of this organization. There are no nurses, there's no hospital.
Dahlia Tayag, a registered nurse, says she and others have been working under an old contract they want renewed immediately. She says nurses are tired, working long hours and missing breaks, and they've been bargaining with the UC system for better working conditions for about 8 months now. But dozens of takeaways they say affects their ability to provide the best patient care and undermines their own quality of life are still on the table. The nurses say they want improved staffing and workplace safety measures. They say many of their proposals would provide upgrades in quality of care, but say UC health officials have refused to address the concerns. The health officials, though, said in a statement every medical center meets or exceeds California's legally mandated nurse-to-patient staffing ratio. And all 5 UC medical centers have been designated magnet hospitals. That's a distinction that recognizes nursing excellence. And the nurses that were picketing here in La Jolla will move to the Hillcrest location and picket there at noon. It's important to remember that all of the hospitals and clinics involved in this will remain open during these rallies. We're live in La Jolla. Mimi Alcala, 10 News.